and welcome to Cooking with the Health Crusader today. I'm going to show you how to make a Berry Delicious Parfait. So let's get started. Okie dokie. So what we do is we have these raspberries and I am smushing them. That way you get all the juice out of them because we're going to be using this for the top of our parfait, and I'll show you that in a minute. So what you're going to do is you're going to get 1 tablespoon of sugar, white sugar, because what the sugar does is it helps break open all the juices in the berries, see? And that is going to be our topping juice, all natural, from these beautiful berries. So now that we've got our raspberries all smushed up, we'll put those aside. I wanted to let you know that at Natural Grocers we only sell 100% certified USDA organic produce. So I'm going to start by using this glass mug. It's a good size. And I'm going to start by filling it up, just a little bit on the bottom, like this, with your granola. This granola has vanilla flavor and some almonds in it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some yogurt right in there. And then we're going to add berries. Yum, look how good that's looking. Then we're going to add, you guessed, more granola. Very easy. More yogurt. Get that filled up. Pow. As Health Crusader would say. Put more berries in. Kazam. Look how beautiful that looks. And you can add little or more of each ingredient. It's all up to you. Then what I do is I get the raspberry syrup that I made. And if you want, you could actually layer it and put a few in between. It's all up to you, but I just like a little bit on the top because I don't like it all that sweet. Then I get my mint. Put it right there on the top. And voila, kapow, there you go. You've got a Berry Delicious Parfait. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time.